How to terminate a mechanical splice-on fiber connector. Today, we'll walk through the process of terminating a mechanical splice-on fiber connector. For this demonstration, we are using a connector designed for 900-micron buffered fiber. Before getting started, make sure you have high-precision fiber cleaver, 3-step fiber stripper, alcohol wipes or approved cleaning consumables, visual fault locator, VFL, mechanical splice-on connector, fiber cable. Each connector includes a reference card showing the required strip lengths for proper termination. Step 1. Install the boot. Before terminating the connector, slide the boot onto the fiber cable first. This is an important step that is easy to forget once the connector has been terminated. Step 2. Verify connector position. Check that the locking clip on the connector is in the down position. This indicates the connector is open and ready for termination. If the clip is in the up position, slide it downward away from the connector interface before continuing. Step 3. Strip the fiber. Using the reference card supplied with the connector, strip the fiber to the required dimensions. For this connector, remove approximately 20 millimeters of jacket, strip approximately 7 millimeters of coating to expose the bare fiber. Using the 3-step stripper, carefully remove the outer layers in stages to avoid damaging the fiber. Step 4. Clean the fiber. Using alcohol wipes or approved consumables, thoroughly clean the exposed fiber before cleaving. Step 5. Cleave the fiber. Place the fiber into the appropriate groove of the high-precision cleaver. Cleave the fiber to the required length specified on the connector reference card. A clean, precise cleave is essential for optimal termination performance. Step 6. Insert the fiber into the connector. Remove the dust cap from the connector. For improved visibility during termination, connect a VFL using the appropriate adapter. The VFL provides a visual indication that the fiber is properly seated within the connector. Carefully insert the fiber into the connector until the proper seating position is reached. Once aligned, lock the connector by sliding the clip upward into the secured position. If necessary, the connector can be reopened to reposition the fiber and achieve proper alignment. Step 7. Complete the termination. Once termination is complete, slide the boot forward onto the connector body. The mechanical splice-on connector is now fully terminated and ready for deployment. Step 8. Verify the connection. After termination, test the connector according to project requirements using appropriate optical test equipment. Proper testing helps confirm continuity and overall termination quality. And you are done.